Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and it looks like a rather soggy week and a half actually in store for the Arklatex, as we do have a frontal system right now which is making its way into the region, has produced some scattered thunderstorms over parts of East Texas and Northwest Louisiana this afternoon, basically near and south of Interstate 20. As of right now, most of the rain has stayed to the south of Shreveport. And you can see this front is going to kind of stay put and then eventually start drifting more towards the south. And as that happens, the threat of rain will gradually become more focused further to the south as well. But we will continue with a pretty good shot for some more showers and thunderstorms. What we have now will likely decrease, a little bit of development possible later this afternoon, and then more rain, showers, and thunderstorms possible tonight through tomorrow. So let's take you through the next few days here with Robbins Toyota Futurecast. And you can see that as we progress our way into the evening hours, again, the main focus of the scattered showers and thunderstorms that do try to develop later on this afternoon should decrease this evening. Notice more thunderstorms try to develop over the northern sections of the area late tonight. Those storms will gradually shift to the south and move into East Texas and Northwest Louisiana during the morning hours tomorrow. By noon, the main focus will be near Interstate 20, and then we'll see more thunderstorms fire up to the south of the Arklatex, which should decrease the rain in our area heading into the latter stages of Thursday. But thankfully, behind this frontal system with more clouds and some rain, temperatures Thursday will be much cooler across the Arklatex compared to what we've experienced today over much of the area and have experienced over all of the area in the last couple of days. Now, Thursday evening, what little rain we do have should end, and then rainfall chances should be somewhat slight here for Friday and Saturday before an uptick in the rainfall chances once again starting Sunday, and that very well could last through all of next week. More on that in a second. Rainfall potential here. Futurecast shows this swath over the northern half of the area. You might shift this a bit further to the south. So where it has the lighter totals is where we could see amounts in that 1 to 2 inch range over East Texas and Northwest Louisiana. A lot depends on the thunderstorms that we have develop across the area tonight. So all of us will still have a shot of seeing a good half an inch to an inch, but we could have a few scattered reports of 1 to 2 inches across the area here during the next couple of days. Now, it still appears as if the upper level ridge that has been pestering us all summer with the hot and mainly dry weather is going to stay to the west of the Arklatex. We'll see the ridging over the western sections of the country, troughiness here across the east, and whenever this happens, the heat of the day has a better chance of producing scattered thunderstorms. You can see that we will see again the front east-south. That'll take the chance of rain with it. But notice another little surge of upper level low pressure moves into the upper Midwest. This is going to push another boundary to the south, which will increase our threat of rain to end the weekend Sunday. We'll see a continued chance for the scattered thunderstorms Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and probably into the last half of next week, a continued chance for at least some scattered activity. Notice the ridge actually off the west coast here by the time we get to next Thursday, and it does appear as if we might see a little bit of a decrease in the rainfall chances heading into next weekend, but it will remain possible. Now, if you add the rain that we expect here for the next 24 to 36 hours to that which is anticipated next week, models still showing that we stand a good chance of seeing rainfall totals of 2 to 4 inches. We could have a few spots that pick up over 5-6 inches of rainfall during the next 10 days. So very possible we could see rain that we haven't seen, widespread rains that we haven't seen here in the next 10 days in the last couple of months, the way it looks right now as we go through the next 10 days, with most of this rain happening next week. In the meantime, some relief from the heat in your forecast for tonight and tomorrow, as tonight we'll see lows in the upper 60s to low 70s over the northern sections of the area. 67 tonight in DeQueen, 70 in Shreveport, and 70 in Texarkana, I should say. 73 degrees in Shreveport. Tomorrow, expect to see that chance. Pretty good shot for the scattered thunderstorms. The daytime highs will only be in the mid to upper 80s across the area. 89 in Manny, 84 in Shreveport, also looking at 84 degrees for the high temperature in Texarkana. And looking ahead to next week, again, we'll dry out Friday and Saturday. As a result, highs should warm back into the 90s, but then we'll settle back into the 80s from Sunday through all of next week. pretty good shot for that scattered thunderstorm each and every day, as daytime highs will be in the mid to upper 80s, overnight lows mainly in the low to middle 70s. So it looks like some